To install My Chota Steps app, you need to open Semester 1 Book A. On the back side of the cover page, you will find two QR codes. You need to scan one on the left side. It will take you to the Play Store, where you need to click on the install button. Once you click there, the app will start installing. Once installed, the open button will be highlighted. Click on open, the app will open. Go and click on the arrow buttons like this, and you will reach page where you can do the registration. First of all, allow all the permissions and click on register now, and then fill up the small form with your mobile number, role as student, CBSE as board, and as per your class, tap register. You will now receive an OTP which you can fill here. After filling up the OTP, you will be able to access the app. This page you can decide to skip. Now it's time to scan the second QR code to activate the app. Now this page will be in front of you, and you can scan the QR code by tapping on the scan QR code or enter a 8-digit or 16-digit code directly. Let's scan it. So this is how you can scan it, and the books will be activated. You can click on proceed and you will see all the books. There is another scan QR code button here which will actually help you to scan any page on the book, and it will help you to reach the digital content of that particular page.
Look, here comes D, og together make the word dog. Dog is an animal that is kept as a pet.
Even without scanning the QR code, you can go through the list of chapters available and click on any of them, and you'll be able to play the videos.
Mama, what are you reading?
I'm reading a story, Petal.
Wow, a story?
Will you tell me a story tonight? Sure, dear.
Thanks for watching. Have a great learning journey with My Chota Steps School. Thank you.
¿Cómo hacer para no quererte? Yeah. Tú, nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto.